Today I'm going to SONAX to polish my headlights. I don't know if you can see that on the video, but they're starting to get sort of milky. And in the front it's okay, but I just don't like it. Milky headlights is something that really makes a car look old and worn out. Told me that it wouldn't do any difference, that if another customer would come in and wanted the job to be done, he would say that there is no need for it. But I absolutely see a difference, and I'm super happy with it. So yeah, before and after, something that you might think doesn't need to be done, but it looks a lot better, I think. I have some trouble with the lighting, but they are really clear now. There is no milky parts at all.